Want this? Well, the first step is to create a new project. Now click here. Now we take the green screen file to the timeline. Click on Effects, and here we look for 3D Keyer. Now click here, and here we will select Open FX Overlay. Now hold down the click on the green background. As you can see, there is still some residue of the green background, so we will come to Effects, and here in Dispel, we will place one. And now you can add another background. If you found the video useful, please leave me a like, a subscribe, and also leave me a shout out in the comments. I really appreciate it. Thank you.